In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix my Instagram account not showing in search. So whenever someone searches for your Instagram account, if they are not being able to see it, there might be various reasons behind it. So the first thing that you can do in order to fix it is simply switch to the public account. For that, launch open Instagram on your device. You can see over here Instagram has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your profile interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the three lines that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now over here you can see various options. Under the section for who can see your content, tap on this option account privacy. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to change your account privacy. If you have the private account, that might have been the reason your Instagram account is not showing in search. So what you have to do is make sure this option is toggled off. Now after you do that, your account will be public and your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, you have likely blocked the person who is searching for your account. If you have blocked someone, whenever they search for your account, it will not appear. So for that, what you have to do is go to the settings and activity interface again. Now tap on this option block that you can see on the screen. Now if you have blocked the person who is searching for your account, make sure to unblock them. If your problem is still not solved, then maybe the person trying to search for your account is entering the incorrect username. So make sure the username is not misspelled. If the problem still persists, there might be some problem with your application itself. So in that case, try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find the application for Instagram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be led to the app info interface. You can see various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, the cache will be cleared. Now try searching for your Instagram account and it will appear. If it still does not appear, you might have violated any guideline. If your account, post or tag have violated the guidelines, Instagram may restrict your searchability. It is referred to a shadow ban. So in that case, what you have to do is simply wait until the ban is lifted. After that, the problem should be solved. If these steps also do not work, it might be a temporary bug. So what you have to do is simply wait for 24 to 48 hours. After that, the issue will be resolved and your Instagram account will show up in search. So that is how you fix my Instagram account not showing in search. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.